When that scared inner child is behind the wheel, they're doing whatever they think is going to make it better. And we're doing that from the brain capacity of a child. And when that part of us takes over, we don't have our adult resource self making the decisions anymore. Who's driving is a question that I like to ask myself when I'm thinking about whatever it is that I want to do. Who's driving? Is it my adult self? Am I regulated? Or is it a younger self that feels hurt? The remedy or the healing that can happen is that we can really connect with those parts of ourselves that still experience feeling isolated or shamed or alone. Bring yourself back to really noticing your body and sensation and energy in your body. Don't pick a 10 out of 10 probably for this because we're only going to do it for a few minutes, but bring something up, a memory or a circumstance that causes you to have some kind of response to it. If it's a memory of being shamed, or maybe it's a memory of feeling not as included, we have a friendship that's gone wrong and we're not really seeing that person anymore. We're going to say this to ourselves. You could just close your eyes, put your hand on your heart, perhaps. And as though we're talking to that part of us that feels that shame or feels isolated or feels unknown or on their own, we're going to say these phrases. We're welcoming this part of us and this energy, this sensation. I'm so glad to connect. I want to know I'm listening. No matter if throughout my whole life I've never been able to handle knowing this, I'm listening now. I want to know you. And if we're remembering something that happened at an earlier time in our life and we felt alone and like nobody was listening, I'm listening now. You're not alone anymore. Let yourself feel that. You're not alone anymore. You can count on me. I'm here and I'm an adult now. I can help. You might have a visual image of yourself at a certain age. And notice the innocence, the perhaps sadness. What is it that's on your face that you could notice? Oh, this is somebody who really feels alone. Like nobody cares about them, nobody's protecting them. I'm an adult now. You can count on me. You don't have to protect me, and you don't have to protect yourself from me. It's safe for you to let me know you. It's safe. I'm not going to judge you. I love you. I want to know you. Keep noticing your body, your breath. Let yourself feel that. Your adult self is here, welcoming this younger self. You don't have to have it all together. You don't have to be funny or smart or anything else. You're just welcome to be here. I want to know you. If there's something you want me to know, I'm listening. You can tell me. And what I want you to know is that whatever it was that happened was not your fault. You were a child and you didn't know what to do and you felt alone, and now you're not alone anymore. I'm here. You could give yourself a hug, really squeeze, let yourself know that you're not alone. You could hold your own hands, both hands on your heart, kind of press down a little bit. Take a few deep breaths. And imagine that you're sitting face to face with your younger self. And as you're sitting face to face, look into their eyes and let them see through your eyes and through your attention and your kindness that they're not alone anymore and that they're not bad. You can see their goodness and their hurt. They're not alone. And whatever it was that happened, and then a lot of things happen that are really hard, that they're not bad. They were a child. You're so welcome to be here. I love you. I want to know you. I'll take care of you. You can count on me. Sometimes when we've been disconnected and don't have a relationship with ourselves at that age, it can take a while for that to ripen and develop. Let them know this is not the last time I'm going to check in with you. I'm going to keep connecting. I want to know who you are. I want you to know that you're not alone anymore.